Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily prepare amla, aloe vera, and wheatgrass juice. This powerful blend offers numerous health benefits and will cover a simple method to make it at home. You'll learn about the key ingredients and why they are so good for you, ensuring you can enjoy this nutritious drink regularly. This juice is celebrated for boosting immunity and aiding digestion. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 amla fruit, 1 aloe vera leaf, and about 10 grams of fresh wheatgrass sprouts. If fresh wheatgrass isn't available, 1 tablespoon of wheatgrass powder works well. For the aloe vera, carefully extract the gel from a fresh leaf, or opt for a high-quality, organic store-bought gel without added preservatives. These fresh components are key to a potent juice. Now for the blending process. Combine your prepared amla, aloe vera gel, and wheatgrass with 1 cup of water in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth. For a more palatable taste and an extra boost of vitamin C, consider adding 1 teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. It's best to drink this juice immediately after preparation to ensure you get all the fresh nutrients. To maximize the benefits, aim to consume 15 to 30 milliliters of this juice daily, ideally on an empty stomach in the morning for better nutrient absorption. If you prepare a larger batch, store it in a non-plastic container in your refrigerator and try to finish it within 1 month to maintain its freshness and potency. This juice is a fantastic addition to your daily routine for overall wellness. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.